Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. In this video I'm gonna sharing with you the tutorial of this cute mini love infinity box. It's very pretty and beautiful. You can attach some memorable photos or you can write down something, that totally depends on you, and you can gift it to someone, he or she will love it. And the best part is, it is very easy to make. Just follow my tutorial. I hope this video will be very helpful for you, and if it is, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon to get the notifications, and please comment me how much you have liked this video. So yeah, let's get started. Here I am using white Mountboard cardstock paper. You can get it from any kind of local store. Okay, so I'm using white color so that you could understand properly, but this is not the original one, this is just demo, and all the measurement I will mention on the screen also, so don't skip the video, and I will mention on the description box also, so don't forget to check it out. And any kind of query, please follow me on the Instagram, link will be in the description box. Now just take the measurements for lid. For lid you have to take 0.3 semi extra from the original one, because the lid will be larger than the box. So take it properly. My measurement is 7.3 into 7.7. So I will take 11.3 into 11.7, because extra 4 semi you have to add. If you are still confused about the lead making measurement, so you can definitely follow me on Instagram, and please don't be hesitate. You can contact me there and you can ask me. I will definitely help you. I will love to help you actually. here I am showing my measurement of the lid, so you can take one screenshot for further help. Now just cut only one end and make the lid. So guys, our base is ready. Now you can attach some photos there and it will be perfect gift to give someone. That's it for today guys. I hope this video will be helpful. Wait for the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.